Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a track in the Vanced Tube application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the search button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the search for track line at the top of the page. And just browse for any artist that you want to listen to. So like Ed Sheeran, and here, as you can see, you will find all the available music up in the application from him. So just click on one. And there it will start playing not just the music but the video as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.